In this video, I'll show you how to use a permanent marker, whether it's a large one that has whether it's a large permanent marker or a small one. I will show you this works the same way, and I prefer this one, this brand, the Staedtler Permanent Lumocolor Duo, because it has two ends. Actually, there's a fine cap and a medium cap, so I can have one really fine permanent marker, and then I can also have the more regular size permanent marker, like a Sharpie, this style of marker. You can use a permanent marker to write on really any surface, even on paper. You could write on paper, especially with the fine one. This is going to be very dark here. So it's writing it, and it's really dark. Normally you wouldn't write with a permanent marker on the paper, because it's more suitable to write on plastic surfaces or glass surfaces, for example. So this one, I could write something here on the cap. I could say 0.7, because it's the size of these markers, and you can see it's easy to wipe here. And I could write also 0.7 millimeter. And you count a little bit, and then you can wipe it. It's safe to wipe it. You can remove it with alcohol from most surfaces, but not all surfaces. If the surface is very porous, like cardboard, for example, you will not really remove it from there. Or even if it's leather. Even from this electrical tape, I could write some note here. For example, I could say something like this, and 3 exclamation marks. And now this one, I can wipe it, and it's safe to wipe. Only alcohol will remove this, and from the electrical tape there will be a little bit of a residue there. And I can write on this plastic remote, on this TV remote, and I could say universal. Easy to wipe immediately. And I will show you the thicker cap. It's more like a Sharpie pen, this thick one. See, this one is much more noticeable, like this. You can even write with these marker pens on glass, and it's much easier to remove it from glass. And that's how it is. The permanent markers, usually they're made for CDs, DVDs. You have to get one that is safe for the CD, and it writes on all surfaces for CDs and DVDs. And now Blu-rays, you might want a specific type of marker that is safe for the DVDs. And inside, usually they have a label. They have a white canvas where you can write on it. But you can write on any DVDs, really. The reason to have the DVDs, the Blu-ray safe markers or DVD safe markers, they have less damaging parts that could damage the data layer on the CD. I could even write on a pen. I could write on this pen now. So I could say, I could write something on this side here. That's all. And you wipe it. You can really wipe it hard. If you wipe it when it's fresh and wipe it really hard, it could come out. But with alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, it will come out really easy. From these surfaces, what I wrote here, it will come out very easily with alcohol, except for the electrical tape. There will be a bit of residue there. Thanks for watching.